Today I am reviewing the Dell Latitude 5550 business laptop computer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the heart of this laptop, the processor. It is equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 155U, a 12-core CPU featuring a unique 3-tier multi-processing architecture. This includes 2 performance cores, 8 efficient cores, and 2 low-power cores. This design intelligently distributes tasks. The CPU handles lightweight, low-latency AI tasks. The GPU manages media and visual AI rendering, while a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU, is optimized for sustained AI workloads. This architecture allows the laptop to manage complex workflows smoothly, speeding up your productivity whether you're running multiple apps, data analytics, or AI-driven software. The processor can turbo boost up to 4.8 GHz, providing that extra burst of power when you need it. Moving on to memory and storage, the Latitude 5550 offers a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's an exceptionally high amount, far above what most laptops offer, and it ensures blazing fast multitasking with zero slowdowns. Whether you're running virtual machines, large databases, or creative software, you'll have more than enough memory to keep everything running smoothly. Alongside this is a massive 2TB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. This SSD delivers lightning-fast boot times, app launches, and file transfers. Plus, with this much storage, you can easily handle large files and extensive data libraries without needing external drives. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. While it's not a touchscreen, it features anti-glare coating, which is great for reducing reflections in bright office environments. The screen brightness is rated at 250 nits, which is decent for indoor use, and the color gamut covers about 45% of NTSC, adequate for business tasks, though it's not aimed at professional-grade color work. One notable upgrade option includes an FHD IR camera that leverages HDR technology to blend multiple images for clear video, even in challenging lighting conditions like conference rooms or offices with large windows. This makes video calls and meetings look sharper and more professional. Connectivity is another area where this laptop shines. It features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and stable wireless connections. The laptop is also loaded with multiple ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports supporting up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer, DisplayPort alt mode, USB Type-C, USB 4, and power delivery. This means you can connect high-speed external displays, fast storage, or charge your laptop with compatible chargers. There's also a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with power share to charge your phone or other devices even when the laptop is off, an HDMI 2.1 port for external monitors, a universal audio port, an Ethernet RJ45 port for wired internet, and a micro SD card slot for quick media transfers. This extensive array of ports makes the Latitude 5550 flexible for any office setup or mobile workstation. Security is a top priority for business users, and Dell delivers here with several features. The laptop includes a fingerprint reader and Control Vault 3 Plus for enhanced biometric security. It also comes bundled with a backlit AI hotkey keyboard, featuring 99 keys, including a numeric keypad, perfect for professionals who need precision and speed when typing or crunching numbers. On the software side, the laptop runs Windows 11 Professional 64-bit, providing the latest in security and productivity features tailored for business use. With features like snap layouts, virtual desktops, and Teams integration, you can streamline multitasking and collaboration efficiently. To wrap up, the Dell Latitude 5550 is a powerhouse business laptop designed for professionals who demand high performance, advanced AI capabilities, ample memory and storage, and comprehensive security in a robust yet portable package. Whether you're a data analyst, developer, or executive, this machine will help you get more done with speed, reliability, and security. If you want a laptop that beats many i7 models and is future-ready with Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6, this Dell Latitude is an excellent choice.